look into the Empress card. But before we get into that good stuff, I just wanted to say, most readers don't explain how tarot can be interpreted differently for everyone. And the purpose of the tarot is to activate your own intuition by the image of the card. However, there is a general consensus out there about the general meaning of what each card means, and that's the difference between one reader and another, which is what their intuition sees in that card in that moment. The card is pulled. For each card is the intuition of the reader of the card and its position in a spread. So, what I'm going to go over now is the general consensus that's generally accepted in the tarot community and found in books and in Google searches. So here I have the Empress card. And the Empress card, in general terms, can mean mother, a creator, and nurturer. And going deep into those definitions, the Empress card can be shown as with child. She can represent the creation of life, art, or business. And deeper into that, she can represent an idea before it's born into existence and the need to be accepting of change. This card is sharing with us that you need to take a step back in your life and look at what areas in your life you need to be more giving in and areas where you may be too controlling in. In love, the Empress card symbolizes a stable and secure love life. It empathizes the true bond the two people share and the potential for a meaningful relationship. So, there you have it. That's the general description of the Empress card. What I was saying in the beginning of this video, if you want to experience my intuition and version of the cards, order a reading with me, go to my website in the link below. I've been doing this for 6 years now and am very much passionate and in love with reading the tarot cards intuitively and have a very unique way of approaching my readings. And also, if you want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.